This is a step-by-step instructional video on sealant placement. The first step is to prepare the tooth surface to receive the sealant. This is accomplished by polishing the occlusal surface with either pumice or hydrogen peroxide. In this video, we will be using pumice. Remember, a clean surface is necessary to ensure successful etching. The next step is to rinse the surface thoroughly. Next, place your isolation apparatus. In this video, a mandibular sealant is being placed, so we are using a plastic cotton roll holder with 2 cotton rolls. If you were placing a maxillary sealant, you would be using a dry angle. Next, dry the tooth thoroughly. This is necessary because if the tooth is not dry, it will interfere with the formation of the enamel tags or micropores that the sealant material will adhere to. Dry the tooth for at least 10 seconds. The next step is to apply your etchant. Application time is 15 to 20 seconds. We use gel etchant. Apply and leave undisturbed. Next, you will rinse the etchant off of the tooth. Rinse for at least 30 seconds. It is important to keep the saliva ejector close to the area you are rinsing to ensure that the etchant material is evacuated directly into the suction tip. You can also use a high-speed evacuation tip if preferred. Dry the tooth for 15 to 30 seconds. Make sure the tooth is thoroughly dry. The tooth should appear white and chalky. Now you can apply your sealant material. We will use the applicator supplied by the manufacturer and then use an explorer to feather the material thoroughly into the pits and fissures. This will spread the material evenly and eliminate any bubbles occurring within the sealant. Now it is time to light cure the sealant. Hold the tip of the curing light as close as possible to the tooth surface. Curing time is 20 seconds, but an additional 10 seconds or 2 20-second cycles is recommended for each surface. Remember, you cannot over-cure a sealant. Check the occlusion to ensure that there are not excessive high areas. We use an unfilled sealant material that wears easily, so occlusal adjustment is unnecessary. The last thing you want to do is check with dental floss to make sure that no sealant material accidentally lodged interproximally. If there are excessive high areas, the sealant should be removed and replaced. Trying to adjust with a dental burr will cause the sealant to fracture, so it would need to be redone anyway.